Welcome to this Hobbii granny square tutorial. We're going to be learning how to make this solid triangle. We're going to begin the pattern with making a magic ring, and if you're not familiar with the magic ring, please make sure to practice this a lot before you start making your granny square, as it can be quite tricky to get it right. In the first row, we're going to be chaining 4. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. This counts as a double crochet plus chain 1, and then we're going to make 3 double crochets inside the ring. So that's 1 double crochet, another one, and the third one. Now we're going to just tighten our magic ring a little bit so that it's easier to work with, and then we're going to be chaining 2, 2, and then we're actually going to place a stitch marker in this second chain, because that's going to mark the middle of our triangle. That's where we're going to be making the increases in the next rows. And now we're going to be making 3 more double crochets inside the magic ring. So that's 1, that is 2, and the third one. Then we're actually going to chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet inside the ring. Then you're welcome to actually break the yarn, which we will do for our next row. There we go. And we're going to be using this cute blue to start our second row. For our second row, we're going to start like we did before with chaining 4. Tighten that yarn a bit, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the same chain space. That's second one, there we go. And now we're going to be doing 1 double crochet in each stitch across until we get to the stitch marker. That's the middle of our triangle, and that's where we're going to be making 2 clusters of double crochets. There we go. And now we got to our stitch marker. We're going to go into that chain space. We're going to make 1 double crochet and then another double crochet. Then we're going to chain 2. That's 1 and then 2. And then we're going to make 2 more double crochets in the same chain space, or in the corner space in this case, which marks the middle of our triangle. There we go. Then we're going to keep making double crochets into each stitch across to the final chain space. There we go. Now we reach the final chain space, and we're going to go inside that and make 2 double crochets. That was 1. This is the second one. Now we're going to chain 1 and then just do 1 more double crochet in the last chain space. And now we're going to break the yarn and follow up with our next color. We're going to make a slip knot, and then basically row 3 is the same as row 2. So you double crochet in each stitch across until you get to the chain space. That's where you have your stitch marker, and that's obviously where you're going to be doing the increase. So that means 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. And that's pretty much how it goes in row 4, also row 5. And you'll see that once you get row 1 and row 2, the rest of the rows are quite repetitive, so once you get the hang of it, it is actually quite simple. We hope that you had fun watching this tutorial. If you're interested in seeing more or getting inspired, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, or if you have any suggestions for different kind of tutorials or different kind of granny squares, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and we'll see you soon.